Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Clockify easy method. Create an account at Clockify and confirm your email to start. Next, set up a workspace and invite team members if needed. Add projects and tasks to mirror your real work structure. Configure time tracking settings like time rounding and required descriptions. Finally, install the desktop or mobile app for quick tracking and sync across devices. Begin by organizing projects that reflect how your work is billed or reported. Create clear project names, add concise descriptions, and apply tags for quick filtering. Assign team members so everyone knows their responsibilities and tracking expectations. Set hourly rates where relevant to track cost estimates against actuals. Use project colors to visually separate work in the timer and reports. Keep projects lean to avoid clutter and simplify time entry. Use real-time timers for accuracy or add manual entries when needed, whichever fits your workflow. Encourage brief, consistent descriptions and tags so reports reveal meaningful patterns. Turn on reminders and idle detection to capture interrupted work without guessing. Explore keyboard shortcuts and quick add features to speed up entries. Regularly review weekly summaries to catch missed time and correct any misplaced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.